how to give access in Google Drive. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And let's get started. So giving access in Google Drive is very easy, and you have many options. You can give access to everybody or give access to people who are with the link. So let's do it practical and go to Google Drive. First, make sure to install it from your App Store or Play Store. Let's open it now and go to the document that you wanna share or give access to. Let's go to this document, for example. Let's right click on it and go to manage access or share. Let's go to manage access. You have more options there. As you can see here, it gives details about the owner, and it gives you details also about the general access. It's now restricted, so only people given access are going to be able to open it. So let's give access to anybody from here by clicking on the contact icon with the plus from here, and write the emails for the persons you want to share the document with from here, and choose the access type if you want this person to be a user or just a commenter or just a viewer, and then click on send here to send the access to the person. If you want to make the access available to anybody with the link, all you gotta do is clicking on change here under restricted and click again on the arrow icon here and choose anyone with the link. And now anyone with the link is gonna be the viewer. You can also change that from here. You can choose if anyone from the link is gonna be a commenter or an editor or a viewer, and you can copy the link from here or from here. That's it. It's very simple and very easy. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.